I've been taken by itself, no one no chasing in my cup. If you stepping out your house, you better fuck it up. Run it up. It's the weekend with my dogs, gotta call him up. I've been chasing you the week, no one no chasing my cup. If you stepping out your house, you better fuck it up. All my niggas screaming road with that Henny on our breath. I'm like 2-3 cups in and I ain't done yet. I got that looty, got the dummy. Come line up your bets and when they pulling on that gas, but they fly like a jet. I done pay my bills.
What's going on, world? It's the remix kid, Pryce.
Run it up. It's the weekend with my dogs, gotta call them up.
And I am here with Pree, and we are kicking it at OG Studios, and we about to shut down this interview with Slime Nut Productions.
Yes, sir. It's your boy Pree, man. We here at OG Studios, my studios. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all check it out on the website, ogstudios.com.
The owner himself, the governor.
Everybody drop their socials.
And you can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me D-A, I forgot. DAREMIXKID.
Okay. Yeah, my Instagram is Ypree. That's WHYY_Pree. And also follow my studios page, OGP Studios with a Z at the end.
Listen, come get your photos done. As you can see, you got the backdrops, you got all that. We make you look real nice for whatever you got going on.
And he's a photographer, so he knows what he's talking about.
Yeah, I make you look real pretty. So, the real name is Pryce. Bahamian artist. I make Caribbean style music. I mean, I could do whatever, but I mainly focus on that. On the side though, I do photography, a little bit of videography. All them videos that I be posting of myself, I do them on myself or whatever. I learn in them, you know. I work with my dog Pree and we do on the side photos. He do videos, he do all that. That man, the man with the blonde. He organize everything and he put the money in my pocket. Okay, number one. Weed. Yo, I need that. I need that. I ain't gonna tell you no lie, bro. I need that weed because I don't know. I can't deal with people. I'd rather be by myself, and at the same time, bro, I don't got the patience for shit. You see, they saying the moment you on some bullshit, I don't got time for it. So number one, weed. Number two, support. Support. I gain support, and if it wasn't for the support that I get itself, I probably wouldn't be doing all the things that I do. A lot of people start off with things and they stop because we don't get support along the way, and to me, that's a top priority. Number three, number three, I can't live without. That's fucking crazy. My headphones. I need my headphones, my AirPods. I need that. If it's not one of my tracks, if it's not somebody that I bang with, like people that I like that I rap with, like Godly and all them people, bro. If it wasn't for music or whatever, can't get you today. Be honest with you, if it wasn't for instrumentals, can't get you today. Fuck that. Do they run? Leave my headphones at home, bro. Throw the whole day away. Number four. This nigga putting me on spot. Number four, fuck. My camera. My camera. I carry my camera with me everywhere I go. In a way, I get business no matter. You don't know where you can get your next client from. You don't know what could possibly happen at the same time. So everywhere I go, I walk with my camera. My batteries may be dead, but I walk with my camera. Number five, let's see. I don't know. My Applewatch, maybe. I be real with you. That's something I don't leave the house without. My Applewatch on my phone. I don't know. But I don't really be on my phone. I be on my Applewatch more than my phone. To be honest with you, unless it's, they trying to hit me up with something, but Applewatch, phone, that's the five, yeah.
relationship.
All the time. Y'all gotta be a freak.
Every day.
So
Every
let,
Y'all gotta be a freak.
so let me ask you, if she checks 10 out in all categories, but she's a 2 in the bed, you keeping her or you letting her?
She gotta go. She gotta
But
go.
listen. She can cook. She can clean. She financially stable. She got everything she need, but she just mediocre in the bed.
Let me ask you a question.
She
Hypothetically speaking.
hunchback, giving you the back shot.
Hold on. Hypothetically speaking.
You can fix that though.
Hypothetically speaking. She good at adopting. If she good at adopting, keep her.
Yeah, like
Keep her. Hey, teach her y'all everything she need to know, bro.
yeah, if she can work with it, if you can work with it.
Teach her y'all everything she need to know. Personality, first number 2. First number 1, I am Pride. Number 1, a personality gotta be kind of dope. At the end of the day, gals look pretty everywhere. You can find a pretty gal everywhere. But if her personality kind of off, her personality weird or whatever today, I can't keep a conversation with her, yeah, you gotta go. Number 2, looks. Personality come first, then the looks. You see what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, I gotta have a trophy at the side of me. I's an ugly dude. I know that. You see what I'm saying? I know that, and beggars cannot be choosy, but at the end of the day, I got standards. Let's see. Personality, looks. I gotta see where I had at. I think I put that as number 2, and I put
That kind of
looks.
personality, probably.
What about toes?
No, personality is, to be honest, personality, no. Personality is just like right then and there, like how you operate then and there. You see what I'm saying? When it comes down to where your head at, they trying to see where you trying to go in the future. You see what I'm saying? I can't deal with a gal that really don't got no goals. If you have no problem sitting on your ass every day, allowing me to do everything, y'all gotta do it. I got no problem doing it because at the end of the day, the way I was growing up,
Yeah,
like,
that man.
you know, that's what we do. Men take care of the household, but I can't have a lazy gal. Crazy? I lazy too. How they gonna work? Fuck you dealing with. Number 4, the attitude. I can't have a gal behind me and they attitude trash, right? Like, if I go to a party and she all screw up whatever, every place I go, whatever, that's just bringing my energy down because now I gotta worry about you. I ain't got no time for that. So, attitude can't be on no bullshit. 5, why it gotta be 5, bro? Can we cap it at 4?
Nope.
My head hurt.
Let's go.
Friends. I gotta see the company that she keep around her. Because at the end of the day, birds that flock together. I mean, I kind of fuck up that phrase, but y'all know where we going. Y'all know where we going, but you see what I'm saying? Like, I gotta see what our friends is do. If our friends is host, 6 of 1 apple doesn't that other thing got his host.
Man, you joke. I already got mine lined up. She gotta be able to cook. She gotta look good.
But if she can adopt, though. If she can adopt, that's great. I put 2-3 cookbooks in front of her, bro. If she can read, she's great.
Ain't
You
no
see what I'm saying?
adopting,
Like,
no cooking, man. Listen, you gotta come natural. Like when I meet your mom, she gotta have arm fat. That's how you know you. I know you know how to cook. After that.
Nah, man. I mean, at the end of the day, if a gal can't cook, a gal can't cook. I can't. I mean, see.
We can't cook it. Somebody Africa left.
You gotta think about it, bro. That's
No, but I mean, I can't build no house. Let's be real about it, bro. I can't build no house. I can change the oil in the car. I can change the tire,
Exactly.
but I can't change the alternator. I can't change the fucking fan. I can, like, bro, like all them things, bro, you could learn. If the gal really fuck with you in the other day, if that's something that you wanted to do, bro, she can pick up on that, bro. Like, if we being real with it, like the gal can naturally pick up on that. Like, that ain't gonna be a set, say, oh, this gal gotta be able to cook. I ain't gonna never find no gal that's looking for a gal that can be able to cook.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
Like, what the fuck, bro? But I get where you're going. I get where you're coming from. But at that,
my belly.
I get where you're coming from. But I mean, if a gal can read, bro, she can go on YouTube.
She can cook.
Go on Google.
All right. That grilled cheese come out a little bit too
There's
grilled.
little things that no man, there's little things that make me happy.
Goddamn grilled cheese every day still.
I used to.
I'm a big
Island Vibe 3. Now, Island Vibe 2 just dropped, I get it. Road just dropped, I get it. But we gotta keep going. Island Vibe 3, I don't know where I'm going with that project. It's more than likely gonna be an EP just like everything else, but I don't know what I can do. Island Vibe 1, I gave the project was a fact. Just brief understanding of my background, where I from, da-da-da-da. See what I'm saying? Island Vibe 2 is more on that, who I am now. You know what I'm saying? It gave a clear understanding of where I am now. I don't know where I can put Island Vibe 3 because nobody can predict the future, so I ain't gonna drop no project on no fucking future. But in all honesty, it probably gonna be a whole bunch of party vibes, bro, because listen to Road. I got Shining coming up. I got OG Mark on that. I got Lie to Me Part 2. Like, it probably gonna be a whole bunch of party things, so if anything, y'all, probably gonna be a summer thing. Road.
Why
Road.
is it your favorite?
Because, bro, that's probably the first song I made, bro, in a very happy spot. I ain't gonna kid you no lie. When I dropped that, when I was working on that song came just out of the blue. I was just going through YouTube actually, and there was a producer that I fuck with. And, I was like, man, this nigga updated we chocolates, they went down to his shop or what's not, checked it out, and the beat stood out to me. But I made Road in a very happy spot. I had fun with it. And I listen to that now, and all I can do is smile. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. All I can do is smile. Yeah, they had our fun. Whereas the weekend when my dogs got a call them out. Music, early next year. Because I want to work on the EP and what's not, early next year, but what you can expect from me is a lot of music videos. I did release Island Vibe 2, and obviously I have Island Vibe 1 out there that I don't really have visuals off. I have Leveled Up, I have Chill Story Part 2 or 3, one of them. But I'm probably going to drop new music next year, maybe a little single or two before the EP, but y'all can expect a lot of music videos from me, and I am working on TV next, so that one possibly before the end of the year. Yeah, love him. Bro, I did a lot of stupid shit. I ain't saying no lie, bro. And the person I am today is very content with where he at. Before, I was really looking at my spot in life like I'm not really doing much. I'm not using what I have or the gifts that I've gotten to my best potential. I've seen a lot of my friends level up, do things above me, and I sitting there wondering like, okay, even though I know there is different, personal things stacked against me, at the same time, I was still trying to wonder why I wasn't at a certain point or why I didn't reach to a certain point. And seeing all these people that ain't work as hard as me reaching to the point. And that was kind of one of my, dark spots of life. But the person I am today, I enjoy every part of the success each and every one of the persons is around me. I don't love it. See what I'm saying? Me, where I am, everything step by step, timing. Everybody who around me know I love that phrase, timing. And at the same time, enjoy the process, enjoy the ride, and I am very happy where I am today, and it only get better from here, to be honest. Don't act off emotions. To be honest, a lot of the things that really fucked me up in life is because I didn't really think of myself, but I think of the person that I was with or the people that was around me and they acted off emotions. Don't act off emotions, young Jay. I wouldn't do that. Alright, yo, boys. So, appreciate all y'all for taking the time out to listen and, the question that was being asked and for understanding me a little better. What I want y'all to do, take the time out to go check out my new music video, recent music video, Road. It's time for y'all to go ahead and run it up. You can find it on all streaming platforms by tonight. Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, Audiomack. Y'all know I do it for the dogs in the islands. Hey, y'all go ahead and check that out. I also got the music video on YouTube, so you can check that out. Road, R-O-A-D, J Pryce, J-Y-P-R-Y-C-E. Also, if you need photos done in the Fort Lauderdale area, please check out OG Studios. We will drop the links below. You can get, if you book me as a photographer, I will discount you guys if you guys
got the best prices in town. I want to hear that.
Yeah, fuck that. Yeah, we got the best prices in town.
360 boots, bounce houses, parties, everything. Matter of fact, everything. Maternal shoots, baby shoots. Whatever you need. Recording studios, whatever. Podcast coming soon. Hair, nails. We got all that. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel too at Pree and follow me on Instagram.